Okay, so you just got into Calculated Labs for the very first time. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you should set up your account to get the most out of Calculated Labs. So when you sign in, you're gonna be taken to the dashboard page. Now this is kind of just like an overview of what is going on your account. Now on the left, you'll be able to see this left tab bar, and that's where all of the tools and everything is going to be. It's pretty straightforward. Up top, you have the calendar, content planner, and idea bank. And then obviously with the lab tools, you've got the thumbnail studio, title studio, vertical studio, script writer, and idea generator. These are all a bunch of fun tools that are going to help you during your content creation journey. I'm telling you, you will be able to streamline your entire workflow from idea all the way through thumbnail, all the way through your post if you just follow all of these guidelines. And they're not even really guidelines. You can use it however you want, but I'm going to show you exactly how I would set it up to get the most out of it. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do when you log into Calculated Labs for the very first time is come down here to the connected channels page. Now, you'll see that it's going to be empty because we haven't connected a single channel yet. And it really is as simple as grabbing a channel name like mine right here and typing it in. So if we type in Adam Botkin right here and we press add, boom, it's going to add my channel to the drop down list right below, and it's going to start analyzing that channel. It is going to take a second to analyze the account. Be patient with it, but I promise it's worth it. You'll be able to use that account on every tool inside of Calculated Labs once it's done analyzing. Okay, so I went ahead and I added a few other channels: Mr. Beast, Arak, Ryan Trahan, Michelle Carre, just channels that I like watching. I like their thumbnails, so I added those. But you can literally add whatever channels you want inside of the connected channels page, and then you can start using those channels on every other tool inside of Calculated Labs, which we'll go over all of those tools in separate videos. But for now, it's more of getting started, getting your flow on Calculated Labs. So the second thing you're going to want to do is come over to the content planner, because right now on the calendar, we have an empty calendar and we've got nothing going on in our content planner. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to see when you go to the content planner tab is obviously an empty page where it says create a channel to get started. So to do that, we're going to go to the add channel page, and right here we can type literally anything. This doesn't have to necessarily be a YouTube channel. This could literally be for your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your short form content in general, literally anything in life you can put on here. But for this, I'm going to call this one main channel just so we get the feeling for YouTube. I'm going to keep it as red for YouTube, and boom, create. Now we got this blank menu, no upload date scheduled yet. If we want to add another channel, we can. Boom, second channel, and then let's go with blue on that one, and bang. Okay, now we got second channel and we got main channel. So now because we added those, if we go back to our calendar, I don't want to bounce around too much, but we do have two different calendars on our calendar. Now that we got these added, each of these work individually as their own upload date planners. It's something that visually helps me, is being able to see just my upload dates, because it's one thing to look at a calendar and say, oh, I got to upload here, upload here, upload here, but it's one thing to be able to just look at it like you upload every Monday, for example, and you can just see those Mondays. So in this example, let's actually do that. Let's add upload dates, and then I can select the Mondays. So let's go April 6th, 13th, 20th, and 27th. I need to post videos on those days, and boom. Now y'all can see, boom, I got posts on the 6th, 13th, 20th, and 27th. And now I can come through and add content to those that will go to the calendar as well. The beautiful thing is that the content planner and the calendar work seamlessly together, and that's honestly why I started building Calculated Labs in the first place, but then it started getting wicked after that, but we'll get into that later. For now, you can see that the main channel, we added those dates. Second channel, we don't have those dates. It's completely different. But just for an example, let's go ahead and add Wednesdays for the second channel, and we got those right here as well. But now that we got the dates laid out, we need to add some content to our content planner and our calendar. So boom, we're ready to make this video. Let's just call this test for now. You can fill out the description, your thumbnail concept, which channel you want. It's obviously on the main channel here. Which bucket you want, we'll get into that in a second. And then the upload date and the time is optional. Boom, create. And immediately that creates our project right here. Now let's go to the second channel and actually do the same thing. Let's call this one test 2, just for an example. We'll leave all this blank for now. Create. Now we got a test on our second channel and a test on our main. And if we go back to our calendar, we can see if we go to April, boom, those are right there on the 6th and on the 8th. Main channel, second channel, just like that. It's really that easy, but I'm telling y'all, it was a big problem for me getting organized, having a bunch of things in a bunch of different places. So this, I know this isn't probably why you came to the website, but this is going to change the game for you too, because I know you came here for the thumbnail generator, but I'm going to get to that, I promise. But as far as the overall getting started into Calculated Labs, now that you know how to do that, you can work through a bunch more intricacies, which I got in the other tabs of the help page, which you can go through as well. So hopefully now you got the creative juices flowing and you're ready to work. I appreciate you getting on Calculated Labs. I'm gonna catch you in the next video if you want to learn more about Calculated Labs. If not, have fun with the platform, go create.